Studio Sessions for the web offers a seamless experience with real-time collaboration on drawings, accessible from any internet-connected computer browser via Bluebeam Cloud. Studio Sessions for the web enables quick and easy collaboration, even with collaborators who don't have a Bluebeam subscription. Studio Sessions for the web does not include the ability to create sessions, add drawings, or manage users and permissions. Those tasks will be completed in Bluebeam Studio. To begin, as the administrator, you'll first need to create and set up the studio session in Bluebeam Revu. Once the session is set up, invited users will receive an email giving them the option to join via the desktop version of Studio Sessions or through Studio Sessions for the web. If the user selects Studio Sessions for the web, they will be directed to Bluebeam Cloud, where they will be prompted to sign in. Collaborators without a Bluebeam ID have the option to create a new Bluebeam account. Within Bluebeam Cloud, you can access all sessions you've created or have been invited to by navigating to the Studio Sessions tab in the left-hand side panel. To enter a session, click on the session name. Once inside the session, collaborators will have access to standard Bluebeam Cloud markup tools and any additional toolset they've added to their tool chest. Studio Sessions for the web operates in real time, enabling collaborators to instantly view comments and markups created by others seamlessly across both Bluebeam Cloud and Bluebeam Revu. This ensures smooth collaboration regardless of the platform used to access the session. To view all actions taken by collaborators, select the Comments and Shapes icon. Here, you will see any comments left or markups added to the drawing. Select any comment to reply. And set a review status. Any comments and markups made in Studio Sessions for the web will be visible in the markups list within Bluebeam Revu, where they can also be edited. Likewise, any markups or comments left in Revu will be visible in Bluebeam Cloud.